Welcome back, brilliant minds! Today, I'll unlock one of the greatest secrets hidden inside the Book of Square Roots. Let's see if you can beat me. Your challenge is simple. Find the square root of 6,200 before the crystal timer reaches 0. Time's up! The answer is 79. But don't worry if you didn't get it. I'm about to reveal the magical secret. Here's the first secret. Every perfect square ending in 1 must come from a number ending in either 1 or 9. So our answer can only end in 1 or 9. Now ignore the last 2 digits. Look only at 62. It lies between 49 and 64, so the first digit of our answer must be 7. Now combine both clues. The answer starts with 7 and ends with either 1 or 9. Since 79 squared equals 6,241, the correct answer is... Now it's your turn. Can you find the square root of 489 before I do? We'll solve it together in the next magical lesson. Until then, keep your mind magical. Join Fox Tutor Academy. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this adventure. Every challenge has a secret. Until next time, keep your mind magical.